Hi guys, I just got a box and today we're going to be unboxing on Dr. SID UnBoxes. First of all, let me give a big shout out to the guys from Juice Up. They sent me this box. I have no idea what's in it. It's a juice in case of emergency Juice Up open box. So let's open the box and see what's inside it. Juice Up water. Oh, this is really cute. Water on the go. Oh, so Juice Up is power on the go. So it's a pre-charge, one-time use emergency charger. You can see that. Emergency charger. Oh, and so it's like an emergency power pack. So this is iOS and Android compatible micro USB ports, and this is Android compatible USB-C. 4 hours extra battery life, 3 years shelf life, wireless charging when you need it. Okay, so let's open up one of these and see what it looks like. Okay. Oh. So it's basically a disposable power pack. You can look at that. Disposable power pack. Let's open the other one and see what it looks like. Yes, it's iPhone compatible. Straight up. So I also think that this is an amazing piece of tech. I think it's going to be fabulous. People can use it in restaurants. You can have this little thing in your bag and travel and nobody will stress you. And you can pretty much just at least make sure that your battery is charged and you don't lose communication. It says it gives up to 4 hours of charges, so make sure you go pick up a Juice Up now. Peace out, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.